So ngayong gabi ay nandito kami sa Manang B. May reservation. So nandito tayo sa B Panganan. So we'll try yung kanilang dinner buffet. So pakita namin sa inyo yung mga pagkain available dito. Kung ano yung pwede natin. Okay, say hi.
Happy birthday!
Yes, Arn. Happy birthday sa ate.
Birthday!
Okay, so ito mga kasama namin ngayon. So kakain tayo. Yan ang aking mga kasama. Hello! Say hi! Say hi! Hi! Say hi! Okay, sige, pasok na. Ito yung mga pagkain available. Pakita ko sa inyo, guys.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be One day I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours.
Ano masasabi mo sa pagkain? Wala pa.
Start pa lang.
Okay guys, for starter, I got giniling, and then pata, and kare-kare nila, and yung chicharong bulaklak. Subukan natin.
Babuin mo kayo.
Medyo mahirap nang mag-vlog guys kasi may tugtog baka makaka-copyright tayo. Okay, voice over ko na lang yung iba. So guys, for the second round, we have the kilawing puso, beef curry, sinigang na matabang masarap, and para siyang isaw. Okay, so yan. So tikpan natin yung kanilang sinigang, guys, no? Sinigang na liempo. And then yung kanilang beef curry. Sarap naman. Lasang curry. Except siya lasang curry. This may beef, no? Ito yung kilawing puso ng saging. So for the third round, kumuha tayo ng tokwat baboy, beef curry uli, and we will try of course yung kanilang kohol na ginataan. So ito yung kanilang kohol. Let's see yung kohol. Yum. Hindi kayo masaya kung kumakain kayo ng kohol. Meron dito. Then we'll try yung tokwat baboy. Yan. Tokwat baboy. Ito yung tokwa. Beef curry. Yan guys, so medyo wala ng music kaya pwede na ako magsalita ngayon. So kumuha uli ako ng sinigang na liempo. Ito okay to sa akin. Pero itong parang papaitang ewan. Sorry pero hindi ko masyadong magustuhan, hindi ko bet. May kakaiba siyang amoy. So, but the rest of the food, so far okay naman siya. So, ito, yan.
May sisig daw dun.
May bagong sisig na kita ko, kukunin ako ulit. So, kung gusto pumunta dito guys, no? So, this is located in Marikina. 339 per head, no? And mostly Filipino food. Kaya kung gusto ninyong kumain, huwag kayong mag-expect ng sobrang-sobra kasi talagang mga Filipino dishes dito, So meron silang 26 dishes, sinigang, may curry, merong sisig, may spaghetti rin naman, may pansit, and then may kare-kare yun. Marami pa, no? They have desserts and fruits din. Pero okay na rin yun. What do you expect sa 300 plus? Napakamura na yun, napakadami nyo makakain, no? Kung pupunta kayo ng fast food, yung 300 ninyo, katiting lang yun. Gutom pa kayo. Dito unlimited. So, recommended na rin siya, no? Okay na rin siya. Okay? So, ikaw, may sasabihin ka ba? Wala na siyang sasabihin.
Hindi rin alam sasabihin ko eh.
Okay, pero okay naman din, no? Malaki yung parking space nila. So, kung meron kayong sasakyan, you can park your car sa labas. At nag-waste lang kami dito, madali lang siyang makita. So kaya lang gabi na kami nagpunta, kaya hindi ko na mai-vlog yun sa labas niya. Pero so far with regard to the food, nakita naman nyo kanina, madami siya. Madami siya at okay naman siya. Sarap naman. Okay guys, so tapusin ko na yung aking vlog dito para sa Manang B. Ano nga? Manang B. Manang B. Pangan. Oh, basta whatever, no? Kung ano man, no? So, I hope you enjoy this vlog, guys. And sana kung naghahanap kayo ng mga murang makakainan, i-consider nyo itong restaurant na to. See you again, guys, on our next vlogs.